My name is Mike Cargill. I'm the Director of Technical Services and Aftermarket Sales for Combi Packaging. We at Combi understand that although we have a lot of customers, every single customer is unique. And what every customer requires is going to be special depending on their product, depending on the way they do business with their customers. We have the capability to give you exactly what you need, precisely how you need it. We will go to our customer's location to do training on site with them, make sure they understand how to run the machine and change the recipes and do all the things that are necessary for that function. We also do training here in North Canton, Ohio for our distributor customers that are also working to support and sell our product. We'll do those trainings 4 times a year where we have support personnel that come in. We train them on the latest things going on with our machines, making sure that they're certified and ready to handle Combi equipment just as well as we do. When customers buy machines from Combi, they don't buy them for a single year. They buy them for the long term. And when you buy a machine for the long term, you need to make sure that you have the proper components so that the machine continues to function the way that it did when we did our initial testing. We don't just sell a machine and walk away. We are there to continue to provide support long after the warranty period. Because Combi machines do last for a long time without requiring a whole lot of extra effort to keep them going, sometimes our customers can forget that if they rotate through employees, they need to go ahead and schedule training again. So we want to make sure that our customers and their employees are well trained on the machine so that they're able to make the right adjustments for the different box sizes, the different types of products that may be running through them, as well as to recognize when we are at a maintenance interval. Because if you don't do the maintenance, replacing belts and other things that are normal wear items, you'll have downtime. And that downtime will have a negative impact on your ability to deliver your product to your customers. No matter what you need, no matter what your application, Combi's been able to apply these things across multiple industries for many, many years.